This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Forget the usual tourist traps. Welcome to the untouched beauty of Albania. Imagine wandering through ancient stone streets framed by vibrant Ottoman architecture with breathtaking views of the turquoise Albanian Riviera. Feel the serenity of Gjaip Beach, a secluded paradise nestled between towering cliffs and the azure sea. Savor local delights like bajrek and freshly caught seafood, paired with the country's award-winning wines. Did you know Albania is one of the safest and most welcoming spots for solo, Black, and LGBTQ+ travelers? Dive into adventure with world-class hiking in the accursed mountains, or immerse yourself in the culture of Tirana's buzzing art scene. This place is stunning, safe, and unforgettable. Pack your bags. Albania is waiting. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more hidden gems.